Hi guys, so today we are doing B.4 for IXL. I'm going to click on the link on my Google Classroom and bring it up. It is randomly generated, so these might look different to you. So this is add two numbers up to 7 digits. So every problem we know that we are going to be adding, which makes our lives a lot easier. This is one of the easier problems that we're going to be doing, or one of the easier skills. So we're going to we'll rush through these questions a little bit because I think you already know how to do all this. It's just as a review. A company recently gave cell phones to its worker. So far, they have used 19,427 minutes on business calls. So these were business calls, and 64,996 minutes on personal calls. So business versus personal calls, we're trying to figure out the total amount of calls they used, or total amount of minutes they used. So we're just going to add them up because we're missing the total. 7 plus 6 is 13. Write the 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus 2 is 12. Put down the 2, carry the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus 4 is 14. Carry the 1. 10 plus 4, 14 again. Carry the 1. 6, 7, 8. And then I come back 1, 2, 3 places to put in my comma. I want to make sure during these problems that I have everything lined up and that I am entering everything correctly. So the main thing is double check that you copied the numbers correct originally. So 19,427, 19,427, good. The next one, 64,996, 64,996. Because it is addition, it would be super embarrassing if you're like, oh no, I totally messed up, when all it was that you missed writing the problem correctly. Because it's not that you don't know how to do this, but this is the kind of thing where you're like, I totally have this, and you make careless mistakes because you're being a little cocky and you might not have it. A carnival makes most of its money from the ring toss game and bumper cars. Last year, it pulled in $7,412 from the ring toss game and $9,253 from bumper cars. In all, so we're looking for the total, how much did those two games make? So I'm going to take 7,412. I want to make sure I line up my commas. So 9,253. So I have everything lined up because that's another way to make a careless mistake, and we don't want to do that. 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. 7 plus 9 is 16. Go back through 1, 2, 3 spots. I'm writing in my comment even though I don't need to type it in, just because it's a good habit and I don't want to get out of those good habits just because I'm doing it online. Last one. To water her crops, a farmer used 5,214 gallons of water from a river. In addition, she used 5,098 gallons from a well. How many gallons of water did she use in all? So we have 5,214 from the river, 5,098 from the well, and we're looking for the total. So we have 12, 11, 3, and 10. Go back through, make sure my comma's in the right spot. 10,312. Once again, making sure that I typed in the right answer and then I have the right answers here, or the right numbers that I transferred over. Perfect. So pretty simple. It should be a relatively quick skill. More than anything, it's just making sure we're getting these down and we've got it so there's no question later on. All right, bye guys.